Hi, I'm Roselle with FarmerBrown Insurance. If you own a car, you know saving money on insurance isn't easy. That's why at FarmerBrown, we take the hassle out of finding affordable car insurance so you get the right coverage without overpaying. But what coverages do you really need? Well, liability. It's required in every state. It pays for damages if you are at fault in an accident. Collision. It helps repair or replace your car after an accident. Comprehensive coverage. It covers non-collision damage like theft, fire, or storm damage. Uninsured motorist protects you if someone hits you that does not have insurance. There's optional add-ons like towing, rental reimbursement, or gap coverage if your car is financed. Now, your deductible plays a big role in costs. The higher it is, the lower your premium. On average, liability coverage runs about $1,000 per year, while collision and comprehensive add-ons adds extra depending on your vehicle and your driving history. Now here's the smart move. All companies sell similar policies. The difference is price. At FarmerBrown.com, we compare multiple top insurance carriers, often finding 10 to 15% discounts you might miss online. Plus, we can get same-day coverage and often in under an hour. So the bottom line, don't overpay for car insurance. Protect your car and your wallet with FarmerBrown Insurance. Visit FarmerBrown.com or call us today to get a free quote. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and drop any questions you have below. Thanks for watching.